Hello everyone, I'm Sean of PooLin team. In this video, I will show you how to maintain our EOC06. Regular maintenance can extend the life of the machine and help you avoid a lot of troubles. Just like our cars, if you need to drive over 20 years, make sure that you will take care of it with your own heart. These are some of the tools we will be using: screwdriver, scissors, oiler, brush, rag or cotton swab. But before we start, please follow the video steps and requirement to protect yourself and the machine, so that you can enjoy the fun of embroidery and grow your business with our EOC06. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's cut off the power and unplug it to ensure the safety of our operations. In general, the maintenance of EOC06, we got 4 parts: the head, the rotary hook, the YX guide rail, and the XX guide rail. I will show you one by one. Let's start from the head of the machine. Loosen the screw on the back of the machine. Remove the cover and follow us to oil the 8 locations, 2 drops each, once a month. When we turn the hand wheel on the side of the machine, we will find that several parts are moving. These are the parts we need to maintain. Get the oiler ready and let's start from the top. Here are the needle bar and presser foot shaft. Add 2 drops of oil to each, number 1 and number 2. Next is the bottom of the needle bar. And the presser foot shaft, number 3 and number 4. Finally, there are 2 connecting rods, still 2 drops each, once a month, number 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 positions in total. Next, please find the round cover under the handle and remove it. We add 4 or 5 drops of oil to the hole once a month. We rotate the hand wheel 2 turns to fully lubricate the needle bar and the presser foot bar. After adding oil, please wipe off the extra oil to avoid hurting your fabric. You can use a cotton swab or a rag. After installing the hole cover and the head cover, the first part of the maintenance is completed. Next, let's start the maintenance of the hook area. Push here and remove the transparent cover. Use the round wrench in the accessories kit to remove the needle plate. Remove the bobbin case. Use a brush to clean the hook and scissors area of a broken thread and debris. You know that the thread will work frequently here. Add 3 drops of the oil to the central oil filling hole. After refilling, replace the bobbin case, needle plate, and reinstall the bobbin cover. For now, we have completed half of the process. Simple, right? Finally, we need to maintain the X and Y axis rails. We start with the Y axis rail outside. Unscrew the fixing screws at both ends of the Y-axis and remove the cover. Fill the felt pads on both sides of the guide rail with 3 oils. We recommend maintenance every 3 months. After installing the cover, the maintenance of the Y-axis guide is totally completed. Finally, let's stand the machine up. Loosen the 6 screws at the bottom and remove the bottom plate. We need to add 3 drops of the oil to each of the spindle and X-guide rail felt pads. It is recommended to maintain it every 3 months. Replace the bottom cover. Well done! For your safety, be sure to follow the instructions in this whole video. We do hope your EOC06 will shine in your own hands. Alright, if you think our video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to us. See you next time!